Bonjour, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm your little YouTuber Gargi and it's a summer season, right? We are sweating a lot. Our throat becomes parched. We cannot sit without AC or a fan for a minute or so. So in this video, I'm going to share with you all very cool, soothing, super rich and creamy Cookie Monster ice cream. So now let's zoom in our recipe. So to prepare this rich and creamy Cookie Monster ice cream, we want some whipping cream, blue gel food color, vanilla essence or you can take extract, condensed milk and some chocolate chip cookies and Oreos. So let's start. Now the first step is to beat the whipping cream. So let's take some whipping cream. Now add a few drops of blue gel food color. I would like to suggest you all to use blue gel food color because it gives very nice and brilliant color. Now mix this well, and yeah, also the cream is chilled. Now beat the cream at the first speed. If you want to know how to beat the whipping cream, then do check it out at Triffle Pudding Shots video, where I've shown you how to beat the cream perfectly. Now add a few drops of vanilla essence. If you don't have vanilla essence, then you can use vanilla extract. No problem, no worries. And now beat this. As we are making ice cream, so we don't want the cream at the level of stiff peaks. If the cream is at soft peaks, it's okay, no problem, no worries. Now the cream is ready. Look how beautiful it's looking. Now let's add the condensed milk. And let's cut and fold this. Cut and fold. Very simple. If you are using dairy whipping cream, then you have to increase the amount of condensed milk because dairy whipping cream is not sweetened as non-dairy whipping cream. So that's the reason you have to increase the amount of condensed milk in the cream. Now let's add chocolate chip cookies and some Oreos. I'm using the vanilla flavor of Oreos. And now just cut and fold this again. Look, our ice cream, it's looking so beautiful. Incredible. Now let's set this in an airtight container. And we will keep this for overnight or until it sets. Now our ice cream is ready. Look how creamy this is looking. I can't wait. Now I'm feeling that now I'm really famished and starving. Look, the ice cream, it's set so well. I have decorated this with Oreos. And look at that ice cream. Oh my god. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. Also like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon which is next to the subscribe button. Till the time, toodles.